All right, so in today's tutorial, it's a little bit different. A question that we get a lot is, how do I create my YouTube banner? Every time I want to upload an image, it doesn't fit in the screen. I can't get it right. Well, I've designed for you a YouTube banner template. It is free, and we're going to go through the process of creating a design and uploading it to a YouTube channel as the banner. So I will leave this Canva template link in the description, and I'll also pin it in the first comment for you. And again, it's free of charge. And I just have one thing, one very important thing to ask, that if you learn anything in this tutorial, press that like button, subscribe, and turn that notification bell on. All right, so let's get down to the meats and potatoes of why you're here. So this is the template, and for the template here, I do give a little bit of instruction, but basically the banner for YouTube is divided into 3 areas. So when you are uploading a design, that design, the whole design, will show up on your TV screen, but there are areas on your design that will only show either on PC or just on mobile. So this whole area here is what you'll see from your design on TV. Then this area right here in the middle is what you'll see on your PC. And this little green area here is what you will see only on mobile. So my recommendation is to actually fit what's most important to you to be seen by your viewers right in this middle part here, this mobile area. And so if we click here, we will see some guides, and you're basically designing for this area here of what's most important to you. So I'm going to go ahead and create a design very quickly. I'm going to go to elements, and I'm going to place this background on my workspace. And I'm also going to go to an app. This app is called Advanced Text Effects. And I'm going to use this option right here. It is called Classic. And for my text, I'm going to type in here in the north. And for this app, there are a few settings that you can modify. I am going to increase the spacing just a little bit so we can see some spacing in between the text there. And I'm just going to go ahead and add it to my design. Here it is right here. Now, unfortunately, once you have clicked the Add to Design button, you really cannot modify it. So I'm just going to place it right in the middle and just try and center it like this. And I'm now going to go back. I'm going to close that. I'm going to go back to my elements and grab a splash. So I'm going to go to Elements, and this is the splash that I want to add. I'm going to change the color of this splash, and I'm going to change it to kind of a pale yellow. So that is a bright yellow. I'm just going to go back in to customize that like that. And I'm just going to make that a lot bigger, and I'm going to place that right there in behind my text. So I'll go to Position and Layers, and I'm just going to grab that and move that in behind my text like that. And I'll just put that, move it up just a little bit more like that. I'm going to go back into Edit because I want to edit that splash, and I'm going to add a shadow. I'm going to add a drop shadow. So I kind of like that effect where we're seeing that shadow, and I'm going to leave it like that. If you want to go further to customize it, you're more than welcome to do that, but I'm happy with it, and I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm going to close this for a second, and let's just take a look at this before we actually download and apply it to our YouTube channel banner. So again, this part in the middle section is what we are going to see on mobile. This part here is what we are going to see on a PC. And then this whole area is what we are going to see on a TV. So I'm going to come over to share. I'm going to download. I'm going to download in PNG because it is the best quality. And I am going to download only page 3. So I'm going to download that. I'm going to wait for that to finish downloading. And I'm going to go over to my YouTube channel. Now this is just a test channel. It's not a real channel, but I'm going to go into customize channel. And we're going to see here that this is where our banner image goes. And I'm going to click on upload, and we can see that the image has to be at least. So this is the minimum. The maximum is 6 megabytes or less. So 2048 by 1152. So I'm going to click the upload button. And this is my image right here. I'm going to say open. And this is what we're going to see. So in the middle here is what we're going to be able to see on all devices. Okay, so you can reposition that. Like if what you have designed appears down here, then you can definitely just reduce it and then move this over to where the area that you want seen the most to be. So you can move that. But if we move that back to the maximum, we can see that what we've designed is right where it should be, which would be viewable on all devices. This is what's going to be viewable just on desktop. And then when we click viewable on TV, we're going to get the whole design that's going to be viewable on PC. And so I'm just going to say done. And now before we finish up, we're going to say publish. And I'm going to publish that. And let's go back to the channel just to see what that looks like. And here it is right here. So we can see that our text is in the middle, or the design of the text is in the middle from the top and the bottom, and then from the sides, it's in the middle. So that's pretty much it. And again, I'll leave the template link in the bottom. I just ask that if you learned anything in this tutorial, press the like button, subscribe, and turn that notification bell on. And if you want to learn more about Canva, join my YouTube channel membership. I go live every single week to teach my adult learners what they want to know. All right, I'll say bye-bye for now and see you next time.